Chapter 2. Is matter around us pure? We know that matter is found in three states: solid, liquid and gases. Have you ever noticed the word pure written on the backs of these consumables? For a common person, pure means having no adulteration. Adulteration means mixing with other substance. But for a scientist, all these things are actually mixture of different substance, hence not pure. Okay, for example, milk is actually a mixture of water, fat, protein, etc. Milk is a combination of water, fat, protein, etc. When a scientist says that something is pure, it means that all the constituent particles of that substance are the same in their chemical nature. According to scientists' view, milk is not a pure substance. It is a mixture of water, fat, protein, etc. A pure substance consists of single type of particles. For example, hydrogen, H2. There are two molecules of hydrogen. Both the molecules are made up of hydrogen. But water, H2O, it is not a pure substance. It is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. A pure substance consists of a single type of particles. In other words, a substance is a pure single form of matter. So when we look around us, we found that matter around it exists as a mixture of two or more pure components. For example, seawater, it is made up of water, salt, minerals, soil, etc. are all mixtures. Okay. So, what is matter? Matter, anything which occupies space and has mass. Anything which occupies space and has some mass is called matter. Matter can be divided into two categories: pure substance and mixture. Pure substance, it consists of single type of particles. Pure substance consists of single type of particles which are same in their chemical nature. For example, H2 hydrogen, oxygen O2, nitrogen N2, means it is made up of two molecules of, suppose nitrogen N2 gas it is made up of two molecules of two atoms of nitrogen, both are made up of nitrogen. So this type of substance is called pure substance. While mixture consists of two more particles. For example, water. Water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. H2O is the chemical formula of water. Okay. Now, mixture. Let's discuss about mixture. Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Mixture means substance which is made up of two or more than two type of substance. Homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homo means same, similar. A mixture is said to be homogeneous if all the components of the mixture are uniformly mixed and there are no boundaries of separation between them. A mixture is said to be homogeneous if all the components of the mixture are uniformly mixed. For example, sugar and water. We know that sugar or salt is soluble in water and we cannot see them separately. We cannot separate them. No. There are no boundary of separation between them. So this type of mixture is called homogeneous mixture. All the molecules of sugar are uniformly mixed in water. Okay. Next is heterogeneous. A mixture is said to be heterogeneous if all the components of the mixture are not uniformly mixed and there are visible boundaries of separation between them. We can easily see them. We can easily differentiate between them, like solute and soluble, between solute and soluble. Now, a mixture is said to be heterogeneous if all the components of the mixture are not uniformly mixed and we can easily differentiate between solute and solvent. Okay. For example, water and soil or water and sand. When we try to dissolve sand in water, it does not dissolve and we can easily differentiate between water and sand particles. Air is a mixture of various gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, dust particles, helium, etc. This type of substance are called heterogeneous mixture. Got it? Now solution and its properties. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substance like lemonade, soda water, etc. It is a homogeneous mixture. Solution is a homogeneous mixture. Lemonade, lemon water. A solution has two components. Solution contains two components, solvent and solute. When solvent and solute mix together, it forms solvent. When we dissolve solute in solvent, it forms solution. Okay, now let's discuss about what is solute and solvent. So solvent, the component of the solution that dissolve the other component. The components of the solution in which solute is dissolved are called solvent. For example, water is a component in which solute particles like salt or other sugar dissolve. So here water is the solvent. So the component of the solution that dissolve the other component in it, or we can say solvent is a substance in which solute is dissolved, are called solvent. For example, water is a universal solvent in which most of the substance can dissolve. Next is solute, the component of the solution that is dissolved in solution. The substance which dissolved in solvent are called solute. Usually present in solvent is present in higher amount while solute is present in lesser quantity, is called the solute. For example, water in larger amount while solute like salt or sugar is present in lesser quantity, is called solute. Got it?